I had my mic muted all this time, for fucking God's sake. Why am I such a dumb? Let's create environment. So how do you create an environment? I forgot. Python, how to create environment. Python, how to create environment. What do you call it? Environment or something like that, right? Python, yes, this is what I was searching for. Creating virtual environment. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. Path to virtual environment. I'll just have my virtual environment literally at my face. Where is my here? Create maybe like an env file or something. Pull that file here. Okay, I should not have these things, I think. Let's see now. Does this work? Does this work? It's just stuck. I'm missing something. Excuse me. Did it do its job? Let's see. Okay. This creates a target directory and places okay. What do I need? Change version. Win is now recommended for creating version. Isn't okay? PyWin was recommended tool for creating version. Okay, PyWin. That was unneeded. Let's see. Was there anything? I think it did create. Let me check. Okay, it didn't even fucking create a project. Wait, what project? Speech to chat. What the? Wait, what is going on? What folder did I open? See? Yeah, I have the right folder open. Okay, I guess this doesn't matter, huh? I'll just remove this. In this, there is a end file, I guess. But how do I access end file though? Set execution policy. I think I did it in my computer. No worries about that. Just how to see how to damn use the environment variable. Oh fuck this. I'm gonna just search for it. YouTube is paying the ass. How to create a virtual environment in Python. But learn virtual. I don't need that long of a video, just a small one. I don't need voice. I'm sorry, but I'll keep you in the right for now. I don't wanna. Honestly, I don't mind the copyright, but I guess it's fine. It's fine to be safer than sorry. Okay. We've installed this product. What the fuck? Python 3 win.win. Okay. Oh, I understand now what this created. I just goes from here, so creating that would mean projects, blah blah blah. Okay, let me delete this shit. So this whole address, I'll just say dot when is the right word? You notice that you have been created. Do you want it to save for the workspace folder? Yes. Named you. Okay, creating it. What does he do next? I created them. Hey, actually, it did connect it for me. Yeah, it did connect it for me. Okay. Pip install Discord. What does it say? Activate. Yep, I need to activate before it, right? I think that's why it's showing command and partial command try. What the fuck is this? I need to activate before. Okay. It throws an error. So what he does instead was create and open another one. what he did was I think there is a bad file somewhere. I just need to run it. Activate .bat. Okay. Let's do this Python. What exactly is no, I just have to run it. Let me see. What the fuck? I can't even see what he's typing. But damn, bro. Oh. Okay, that activated it, I guess. I don't know how, but worked somehow. Oh wow. Now what do we need to do? Now it just works. Be connected to that. Still shows an error. Command line PowerShell, no exit command. Try. Blah, 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 blah. The following extension wants to de-launch terminal to contribute its environment. Python DOA enables use of no code. Okay. Wants me to rerun the terminal. Cool and well. Yep. I think that works. Yep. I think this works. Let's just say print hello assumption. Run. And it does run. Okay. Everything works. Now the first part is done. Now the second is how the hell do I get this in here? How the hell do I even get this in here? Welcome to deep speech model. Yeah, sure, buddy. Sure. Let's have it like this. Let me ask this shit. Can you work with Mozilla deep speech models question mark? Let's see if it works with it. Yes, well then good. Wait, I can just open this in the browser, right? You can open the same link in the browser and you can access this whole page or shit. See, the user asking if I can model. I need to be consistent. Okay, goddamn. I'll just maybe have this for now. Okay, I'll just create a new model. I want you to read this whole whole docs to get used to API or model speech recognition model. What is it? Speech recognition model I want to use. But browser. Okay, now it gets started. Of course, not that. Come on, bro. I'll just keep it here. I'll take that away. And takes up a lot of space. Yeah, you go away. Who is NVIDIA studying? Studying so, you know. Damn. But browser. Which one is this? This is the one, right? Deep speech. I think this is the one. Yeah. Let's see how damn long it takes. we might need like what are the files we may need? Well, first we may need, what do you call it? Let's just say app.py assumption base app. Then we need the component. Maybe yes, I will say okay, return another. You know what? I will create the app within, get a folder called app, then put all of these files into the app file. I will say what the fuck do I say? Blah, blah, what do I say? Components. Yeah, I think I need components here. Components. Then I'll just say data or something. Data predefined data dot y. This has like a predetermined commands and whatnot. Then what we have, hello world, hello. Why do they have this feature? All it does is giving error. Okay, and it is opening the page. That's cool. Predefined data page Python. Then I want what I call it. App. What do you mean? Accounts.py. Then voice recognition.py. Then voice recognition.py. Deep, what is it? Deep search, right? Deep speech. Deep speech. .py. This is taking. Auto generated memory was updated. Okay, maybe it's done. Okay, created. Okay, let's see. Memory. Where the hell is memory in this? I guess I can see it now. Good and fine. Hold on, man. Hold on, man. No, create and activate a virtual environment. Virtual environment p home, whatever. I think I did that. Let's say pip3 install now. Please work. What? New release. Python pip install. Okay, I guess. Why the hell is saying Python pip install upgrade pip. What? File or something? Successfully uninstalled file. Okay. Yes, that's done. Now I say pip reinstall, right? Nope, another one. Well, no, I'm not sending that. pip3 install deep speech. Let's see if this works. Could not find a version that satisfies the requirement from versions now. No matching distinction form for speech. Okay, well, where the hell does it say? Let's see. This is why we asked it to learn. Fix this. What is this error? What is this error and how to fix it? The usage docs. What does it say? Well, the model.pmb scorer. From the pre-trained English model files. Okay. For example, audio files. Okay, okay. Install an old interpreter simple. UIM when we install an interpreter of succeeds. Why does it support the previous one? Doesn't it like support the newest model of Python? Running deep speech might say below requires some runtime dependencies. Okay, hell no. GPU file. Okay, what the hell is this? What the hell is this? Deep search, deep speech when this command completes the environment will be ready to be activated. Activating. Okay. I guess that's fine. Or you can update it. Okay, cannot upgrade it. Sneak out to join. Hello there. Welcome to the stream. Please ignore the title. I don't know why that title, to be honest. Why does it ask me to go to a previous version of Python? It's so fucking dumb. Why? What the? Maybe I'll just try. What even hell is going on at the terminal? What the? Yeah, that doesn't supposed to work, bro. Maybe maybe I'll move back to here into the base and maybe delete that thing. Nope, that doesn't work, I guess. Close the whole terminal and create a new one. Nope, that doesn't go away though. Okay, what the fuck? What the fuck did this happen? No, the term Honda is not recognized. Honda activate base. What the? I did not even open Python. What the hell? They just remove this and move the environment variable and create a we call an older version of Python. I still don't know. They're asking me to create an older version of Python, but god damn sake, bro, Python. I'm forgetting to print that Python. And now what's the error? Unknown 3. What do you mean unknown 3? What do you mean unknown 3, brother? Python cmd mod file, bro. And to create a Python environment for a older version of Python. We will just directly search speech to text models. Maybe there will be some pre-trained model. So having to go to a previous version. Now I deleted Python view. Created. Yes. Thank you. This will take some time. While we do that, let's see if there are any good models. Error doing exploding capture. What the fuck? How I create a model is in transcription. Okay, words per minute. Okay, these are the multilingual support. Let's see now. Assembly AI Universal 2. What is this? Damn, what is the name? Do they give the name at all somewhere? Group distill. What the fuck is that? I cannot read it. Zoom in. We see Group distill whisper. Okay, I see. Open source. Yep, this works now. And what I can do is this. So we run on a different file. Good thing. I can delete the previous one. For speech to text model, so fun. Okay, Whisper ASR. Open source recognition trained on large and diverse approach transform. Okay, architect. Let's see, Whisper ASR, right? Whisper ASR. Producing Whisper. Okay, it's an open AI thing. Of course, they are going to charge, bro. What do you mean open source? Is this open source? An open source feature. Okay, it is open source. That's good. Let's see Whisper. Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. Let's see now. Wait a minute. References. This is an article. I see. Model card. Whisper. Okay. Andy Pepper. Is there any documentation, please? Damn. Give me documentation. I need documentation. Maybe there's one directly somewhere here. OpenAI Whisper robust speech recognition model. We have here blog model card. Paper. Here speech processing model prediction transcript. Okay. What I'm asking is, where the hell is the damn documentation? Please give me some documentation. Okay, here it is. I think they have the documentation directly at the starting of. Oh, this is working actually. It's importing. Yeah, we are moving somewhere. I don't know if it's forward or backward, but we are moving. That's all I know. Okay. Collecting open Whisper. It just keeps on collecting. I don't know how long it will be collecting. Oh, it's working. Okay. Solve dependencies. Understand. See. Hello. My model is working, right? Okay, that's a lot of downloads. I will wait. Wait for it to complete. Wait for it to complete. How many account is this? No, I'm build account this. Should I do this? No, I will just stop here. I'm the owner of this channel. I'm not supposed to make fun of myself. Come on. I cannot ban or anything from directly from the Caster Labs. I have to go to Twitch, then do stuff. And how damn long is going to install? I'll just see into this. Pip git install git http open whisper.git. Alternatively, you can the following command will pull all the install the latest commits from this repository along with the Python dependencies. I don't want that. Write the latest version of the repository, please run. Upgrade, no dips, force reinstall. Just installed it, so there is no need for me to upgrade it right now. It also requires command line tool ffmpeg to be installed on a system which is available for most package manager. Okay. On Windows using Chocolatey. Or 11 Linux, Mac. I guess I need ffmpeg. Mini dress installed as okay. How many freaking things do we need to be installed? What the hell? Is tick tokens do not provide pre-built wait for your platform. If you see the installation errors doing pip install command above, getting started to install Rust development environment. Additionally, you may need to configure path environment variable, path home, cargo, pin path. If the installation fails, no more setup will Rust. Let's see. Installing collector packages. It doesn't say any error or something. Successfully built open whisper. Let's see. Library. Okay. Open whisper, right? Nope, that doesn't seem to be here, but I do see torch and whatnot. Okay. I guess everything is done. I don't need to update right now. I'll just stay as I am. I'll install MPEG. I don't know what Choco or Scoop do. Scoop, the difference between Choco and Scoop, but of course it doesn't. Maybe this works directly in my computer. I think it is. Yep. You want to continue? Yes. Installing the following package. Installing and accepting the license and the packages. Okay, wow. Cool. I accept to everything. Install setup tool Rust. Need to install setup tools by running this. Available model and language. Tiny. High requires PV RAM. Relative speed 10x. Need something between them, so probably for access to proprietary library is denied. What does it say? Unauthorized access exception. Access to is denied. Okay. Maybe then I do need to install Rust before going in. Let me see how to install Rust. Getting started, quickly set up Rust development environment at a small app. Okay. Understand. Download Rust up init.exe 64. Looks like you're running on Windows. To start using Rust, download the installer, then run the following on screen. You may need to install virtual command. Visual Studio C++ build tool and promoted to do so. If you're not, hey, I guess I'm in Windows, right? So I can just use this one. Yeah, it's not coming up. Okay, that's weird. What the heck is this? Am I in the right side? Let me check lang.org. Let me check Rust official site. Getting virus live on virus live is wait, this looks different. Getting started. Let's see. Okay, it's the same site. No worries. But what exactly did it download though? Where did it download though? Let me see. Oh yeah, this is completely different file name. Make it was big. You share as big. Let me small icon. Yeah. I don't see any file like that. What that numbery fucking file? Voice mod setup, voice meter, voice form, waveform, Castle Lab, Spotify waveform. Yeah, I don't see any voice lab though. See, what am I saying? Voice lab. Excuse me. Maybe it doesn't work here. Let me try in another browser. Let me go not here. Here and is this setup? Now it's working. Maybe that insert browser is bugged, probably. Let's see now. What does it say? Okay, whatever it is, we don't read those. We never read those. Let's say cargo home locate. Hang on. Standard installation. Just press enter. Yep. I'm gonna just press enter. Please do the deed for me. We'll continue whatever it is. Well, let's see what we need. Okay. Assumption I do. Oh, not this one. Where is it? Where did it go? I think this one. Yep. You may need us install as in case tick tokens do not provide the pre-built wheel for your platform. If you see the installation error during pip install command above, please follow the getting started page. Maybe I'll see what this error is. If only I can just fail to install with execute. Send to chat. What error is this question mark? While it is generating, let's go here and see this guy is still on. Press enter to your Rust is installed now. Great. To get started, you need to restart your current shell. This would reload its path variable and do okay. You just need to maybe a test for Rust or something. Rust version command version. Okay, I'll just type that. Then version check. How do you have to write all of this shit? you just check a version of the Rust cmd Rust point. Nope, that doesn't work. Installation. Assuming I do all this, Rust is installed now. Great. Okay, now use a compiler by. Is there any way to like check if Rust is installed or not? Come on, please tell me if Rust is installed or not. Come on. cmd Rust command prompt command or something. Need to Rust command prompt commands or something. Oh, how to check? Okay, it says Rust is C. Okay. C hyphen version. Yep, Rust is installed. That's one step ahead. Now what do we need? Now we need to work with this. Rerun. Okay, they're saying me to run this. Let's hope it works. You want to install? Yes. If it installs, I can move on to creating the actual model. But they don't have a documentation here, so on how to use the model would be quite translate to English, but hard. Run whisper help all available options. Okay, tokenizer.py to see for all available languages. You can see this for the languages. Import whisper. Okay, this is good too. Okay, there's an example here. Let's see. Import whisper. Model is equal to whisper.load turbo. What's turbo? Maybe like the yeah, this one here. Turbo. Okay, turbo. Audio is equal to whisper.load audio.mp3. Can give it some audio and see if it actually does it. Okay, this guy's still throwing errors. Access denied. No, I'll just give the whole terminal. Fix this error. Fix this error. Installing ffmpeg. It is saying good. What did it say? Access denied. Yes, access is denied or some shit. Okay, my prompt is. Where did my prompt go? Hello. excuse me prompt, where did you go? This what? Excuse me prompt. Prompt just get out of the window, I guess. It works now. Cannot tag this. Okay, I tag the terminal. I want you to fix this error when installing ffmpeg that says access is denied. So where is my prompt going? Hello, excuse me, prompts. It just went away. What the? Hey, is my network lagging or something? No, my network's fine. What the fuck? Maybe the model? Let me see with this. Yeah, by the way, I forgot to check usage. What is my usage now? Okay, I think the whole cascade is like, okay. Yeah. Maybe I'll just directly give it to group and see if that boy can fix this thing. Holy moly. What a long freaking command, bro. Okay. Maybe I should have used right click copy. That one you are useless for now. I'll just close you. I'll use you when you're actually useful again. Yep. Fix this error. Here you encountering unrelated command shell. Toggle requires administrative privileges. Okay, I understand now. I need to go for CMD, then open as administrator, then maybe using the chocolatey, whatever the thing was, will actually run this command. Let's see. Let's see if this works now. Okay, Y right? Y. A. Okay, let me just say yeah, I guess. Yeah. No, is it working now? I think it's actually working. See, Luke is my favorite child. But at your age, successfully renamed directory. Let this guy run maybe like around here. We keep him here then. Wait. I'll keep you around here or something. Let's see what the example has to offer. We give it an MP3. And what it does is pad or trim. Load audio and pad or trim to fit 30 seconds. Is there like a soft limit for this? 30 seconds or something? Renaming FFmpeg common tool. Is it downloaded? Excuse me. How to steps to fix the error and chocolatey Y, okay, whatever that is. Remove the log. Permissions. Doesn't say access denied anymore, but I don't know if it actually is complete. Let me check. And you cannot copy in here, I think. I don't wanna do that though. Okay. Okay, let me wait. I think it's still executing. I don't want to fuck up or anything. Mel, whisper log mel. What the hell is this? Log mel spectrum and move to the SIMC. Maybe I will see here. Let's explain here. Python usage. Transcription can also be performed in Python. Import whisper. Model is equal to whisper dot load model turbo. Result is equal to model dot transcribe. Oh, okay. Print result text. I understand how to do this. You just have to do this, but then how to get an audio and directly. Let's see. Internet transcribe method reads the entire file and processes the audio with a sliding 30-second view window. What do you mean 30-second view? 30-second window. Performing auto regressive sequence to sequence prediction on each window. Below is the example of usage of detect language and decode, which provides lower level access to the model. Load model turbo. We wrote the file again, and then we pad out trim. I don't know why we pad out trim or anything like that. Mel whisper.log mel spectrogram. Okay. Audio n mels n probs model detect language. Maybe I'll try this. Let me see. Let me go here, copy all of this. We paste it here and see if it actually works though. Okay, let me damn close the cascade, bro. Thank you very much. What the hell? No. I copied this, bro. Copied. Okay, it's copied now. But I don't have an MP3 though. That's the problem. Let's see. Do they have any sort of like this or anything? Following command will transcribe speech in artificial turbo model. Default setting which turbo model works well for transcribing. However, the turbo model is not running for translation task. If you need translate or not English speech, use one of the other models instead of turbo. For example, transcribe an audio containing non-English speech. You can specify language. Okay. Language speech into English use. Hey, no, not this one. I don't need this one. Entirely transcribe the method. Okay. We did see this. We did see this. Audio string. I see. Is this guy even going still? Excuse me, bro. How long are you going to execute? Let's see now. You need some sort of MP3, right? Do I have any? Do I have like any songs or something? That songs? No, that songs. I don't want that. Not even for this. Spotify. As it was, Ditto. I guess this is fine. Yeah. Copy. Maybe I'll paste it in a folder in public or something. Vibe. Okay. Include clips. New folder. Public. And then I'll paste it within public. Paste. What the hell do you even paste? Sure you want to paste? Yep. Yeah. Oh my god, let me almost. Now in here, with instead of this, I will just say I'll rename this file like have then no blank spaces, then copy that. Voice recognition, I think. Which file did I put in though? Deep search mode. Okay, yeah. Tutorial is MP3. Let's see now. Let's run this and see if it actually works. Didn't throw an error. Maybe it is working. It's okay, bro. This guy is installing a 2 GB model. Damn, bro. 2 GB of my space. It's gone now. Hello. Bye. Let's see. Wait. Let me grab some more. I'll be back. Give me a minute. I'm back. I see that there is no, the model is down. Okay, that's good, but what is it? No file directory. Okay, and cascade doesn't work, right? Yep, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. I don't know. I'll try to restart or something. Close cascade window or something. Oh, that doesn't work either. I mean, what can you do, bro? Let me grab my best friend group. See what's going on with him. What does it say though? It says that. Oh, I got. I was in public right now. I bet. Bro. You try to run again. Yeah, it should work now. Should work like a charm. Let's hope it does. Cool. FP16 is not supported on CPU. Using FP32 instead. FP32 instead. Okay, whatever that is, I don't know. I think that's something lower level. Mm. Oh, it does work. Let's see. Let's see. What do I do? Don't tell me. Uh, okay, I kind of forgot the lyrics. Let me take it to the side and see if it actually works. Yeah, I hope I'll get there. Let me see. Let me give me a minute. Okay, it says Jito instead of tell you. Okay, but it's actually good though. Yeah, it's actually pick up Ditto in other words too. That is, it is picking up words instead of a middle of song too. It's actually good. Okay, let's remember this. What? Okay, this works. That is one thing we know. Now, what we have to do is use our own voice from the mic and let it transcribe that. And the second thing is I need to check if turbo model is the best one too. I kind of forgot about that too. Oh damn! It has my mother language more, almost 51%. Oh my. Okay, bro, look at this. 51% accuracy. Okay, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Let's see. What does it say? Parameters. Okay, it is actually just over medium model and English only model NA. Okay, turbo. Multilingual required RAM. It's actually 6 and relative speed is 8x. But that means it might need a lot of RAM, but I don't use a lot of RAM. I have like 32 GB of RAM and never actually use it that much. Now the second problem comes. How do I take an input from the mic and convert it into text? That's also a thing. Okay, where the okay, here. How to get the input from the mic in Python. Okay, bro. How to get the input from mic in Python, microphone in Python. Okay. Speech recognition library is commonly used. Okay. To install speech recognition by audio. Required. Okay. I guess by audio is required by speech recognition to interact with microphone. Import the speech recognition library. SR. R is equal to SR dot recognizer with SR dot microphone as source. Then say something. Audio dot listen. Wait. Wait, fucking, then why did I even, huh? And why do you even get a speech recognition model completely separate? Let me check this out. I'll probably like do this the whole thing. Okay. Let's see now. If this can like recognize what I'm saying, then why did I even create a different model here using OpenWhisper? What the hell am I even doing, bro? Let's say okay. Install both of that. Install okay. Import this. R is equal to SR or recognizer or something. In with SR or microphone as source. Okay, it didn't say something, and let's see now. Yep, that needs to be fixed. Let it run now. Let's see. Say something. Hello. Okay, it doesn't fucking care about my mic. Let's see. Which statement ensures that the microphone resource is properly managed. The r.listen source method captures the audio from the microphone until a period of silence is detected and the timeout occurs. Recognizes the speech. Right. Oh, wait a minute. What? Let me check. Okay, it doesn't care. Maybe cannot take the input. Maybe let me try. What is this? Speech recognition, right? Speech recognition Python. Yep, it is here. py.py or something. Audio. Okay, we get audio here, but we do not actually see. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Again, forgot to do this though. Okay. Let me copy this thing. I don't know what this is. I guess this is the whole program. Let's get it here. What does it say though? It is a file.wave source replace with your audio file. Okay, this is for file input. Okay. My bad. I want microphone input. So maybe I should try it with file input and see how accurate it is though first. Let's see. Run. Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you? Bro. Oh, wait. You said hello. How are you? Hello. Oh, wait, then there is no need for this mod. Why did I even get that model? What the fuck? I'm such a fucking idiot, dude. Instead of this speech model, maybe I'll rename it to like speech recognition microphone. Speech microphone. Instead of recognition, I'll just say speech microphone. That should make the file look smaller. Then I'll say speech microphone instead of file. File.py. I understand. Oh. R is equal to SR dot okay. Whatever this device is, R dot person. SR dot recognizer. I want to see the dogs though. Where can I see? Okay, I don't need deep dive below. I just want speech recognition model pattern. Okay, they have it here. Audio capture, audio processing, audio recognition. Initialize recognizer class for recognizing the speech. Okay, recognizer class. Maybe there's an inbuilt model in this that recognizes what I say. Reading the microphone as source. Okay, good. Reading microphone as source. Listening to speech and store in audio text variable. Okay, order listen source audio text. Okay, listening to speech and store them in with SR dot microphone. if assuming we have a microphone as source, when we do have a microphone, we say something, then what we do is audio text is an array that order presents. The recognizer, the help of the recognizer, we listen to the source, that is our mic. Print time or thanks. Recognizer method will throw a request. Recognizer method will throw a request error if the API is unreachable, hence using an exception. Right. Okay. Auto recognize Google audio text. Use Google Web Speech API. Wait, does speech recognition actually use Google Web Speech API? Then it should be banned. Does Google use the speech recognition Python use Google Speech API? Use Google Speech API. Let's see. Using Google Speech API. Yeah. No, bro, I don't want it. I'm asking if it actually uses Google Speech API. What is guy even talking about, bro? Give me a minute. I'm here. Oh, what I'm asking is speech recognition model. We will read in the direct documentation library for performing speech recognition. Google support for speech recognition. Okay, links. Quick start. I assume there would be no any sort of this, right? Payment wall, paywall, or something like that. Let's just hope not. Okay. Organizer. Okay. Now what I want. Organize.google try. After that comes, we say that use Google Web Speech API. Use Google Web Speech API. Okay. Recognize Google audio. You said could not understand audio. It's ordered unknown value error. Okay. It's our request as E. Now let's go here. Go back. Go up. And for the file one, we had a file one, right? I can copy this and paste it here too. Voice recognition. Where is it? Oh. File recognition. I say voice recognition. Okay, what am I doing? File recognition. Okay, wait a minute. It still says there's some sort of error. Okay. Maybe for now. I am back. So what we need is to see if this works now. Let's see. Nope. There is an error. What did it say? File is corrupted or is in another format. Oh, we need WAV format or AVIF format. That is going to be hard. Be like, I did install it. Let me see. This shit is still installed. I don't know. Okay, I need wave, right? Let me see if it actually works with wave. Then we'll see if I have to use it or not. MP3 to wave converter, good. Hi, we go to, oh no, not that one. Bye. The business channel. Each panels clips. What is it? Business, actual projects, speech to chat, public. We have the file here. Let's use it to convert wave. Conversion. Okay, man, seriously. Of all the time now. The business. Where is it though? The projects, speech to chat, public. Let's see, convert. Conversion takes place, download. Okay. File will be stored for 24 hours. You don't need to store even that long. Right now, and okay, we'll need after that. Let me see. After press download it, so we change this to wave and see if it actually works. What the? Wait a minute, what the? I don't remember. Wait a minute. Let me run from here. That's the same thing, but anyway, I guess that's the same thing. I'm back finally again. How many damn times is my father going to ask me for help? Oof. Let's see. Text from audio. PR making. What the fuck? Text from audio. What? Let me check. I guess this doesn't work. I think. यार नहीं करना. What the hell is this? File recognition. Let me see what I did wrong. I did have it right. Maybe I'll try running it again. The model gonna what about something? Oh, it just is it wrong. Maybe for file type base I will use import whisper and stuff. Import whisper. Then what is it? Model turbo. Then whisper. Or then I can just use directly MP3, right? I'll directly use MP3 and see if this actually works now. If it works, then it's good. The file system, it does take some time to get there. So, but for speech recognition, we use a lightweight model to get it faster than we can. Okay, then. Okay, but it does take a long time though. If you lower the model a bit, instead of turbo, maybe I will try. What is it? Where is it though? Where did it go? Wait, whisper. This. Oh, yeah, not whisper, but here. So maybe I will use bass or something. Bass seems to be slow, lower, and sometimes faster. Tiny. There's no accuracy. So maybe I'll try that one. Let me keyboard interrupt. Yep, I did interrupt. Maybe I will say multilingual model, English only model dot in dot in dot in dot in dot in. Okay. Maybe I'll just say here tiny. TINY tiny. Let's see how it performs, and maybe with it we will check if we can use this or not. We'll probably download it first though. It is only 72 MB, so download faster than the 10 times faster. Okay. I do what they don't want to, but I do then accounting. So let us live step by step. Say I like to say no one ever does stops in the tomorrow 9 times. Okay, this is just saying whatever the hell you wants, bro. It didn't even mention the word ditto. Am I even giving the same file? I do give it the same file, right? Maybe I will try turbo now and see the actual difference. TURBO turbo. But assuming this, maybe I will try to download like a very audio only file. Audio speech test file or something. Kaggle sample audio files. I just want one file, not a 120 of them. Howard.wave. Okay, I will try downloading this. The stale smell of old beer lingers. Oh, wait a minute. You cannot hear the audio. Okay, I kind of forgot about that. For all this time, you could not hear the audio at all. I have to sign in, bro. God damn, just let me get it and leave. Tunes or songs, I will try this. Excuse me, download please. This PCD business actual projects, speech to text, public. On the zip though. Okay, that's fine too. Let's see, but I have to unzip it now. Location. You're seeing a lot of things here that you shouldn't. I mean, how.wave is here. Oh, no, I'm waiting this whole file. Thank you very much. I'll say public Howard.wave. Howard.wave. See, it's the same stuff again. Ah, oh, what is it? Okay, instead FP16 is not supported on CPU. UP instead. Okay, I don't know. Don't care what you use. Just give me the result, bro. Come on. Okay, let's see. We need the file to be here and we need to read it as we see.
The stale smell of old beer lingers.
It takes
It's
heat
heat
to bring out the odor.
A cold dip restores health and zest.
Zest.
A salt pickle tastes fine with ham.
Tacos al pastor are my favorite.
A zestful food is the hot cross bun.
Okay. Or that goes, maybe I'll try tiny model now. And if for normal audio files, if it does work, then that's good. Okay, speech file. Wait, what file recognition? Wait, I was working in a wrong file all this time. I will delete this most slowly. Second, thank you very much. I will paste. Oh no, I can I can fucked off. No, I can't browse sheetishly. Seriously, bro, I deleted a file and like everything is going bad. Speech. In this freaking file, create a new file. Speech. I'll just say file.py. Then within this file, I will say import whisper. Okay. Instead of this, I would say not wave, but say Harvard or what was it? Harvard.wave or something. So I will use tiny model. Let's see if it gives the same result. If it does, that means that for pure audio, it doesn't have that much of influence. What type of model I use? Let's see. Okay, we got the thing, and the same came super fast. Let me do it again. One, two. Okay, it already came. I mean, let's see now.
The stale smell of old beer lingers.
It takes heat to bring out the odor.
A cold dip restores health and zest.
A salt pickle tastes fine with ham.
Tacos al pastor are my favorite.
A zestful food is the hot cross bun.
You know what, maybe should I loop this? Instead of this, maybe I should say like here, this thing. So that I should load that model and work with that model probably. That'd be good though. Okay. Result is equal to model or transcribe. I mean, this is for one faster and it is ChatGPT based, so it is best. Maybe let me try that. Let this be the file one, but what? But then the problem will be getting it from micro. That's why I get the audio here. Yeah. So yeah, let me check this one. If it's not fast enough, I will try to do that one. And this. Hello, how are you? My name is Elizabeth and I'm an employed virgin. Okay. Hello, how are you? My name is Raja. Okay. Never mind, bro. I gotta do this. Let me check. Okay, what we need is import this model stuff. Let me uncomment that. And then I will cut all of this here and I'll uncomment this, then paste it here. So of that I will say audio. Let's see now. Hello, my name is Elizabeth. Well, I am unemployed, virgin, and I don't. Okay, say something. Okay, my name is Elizabeth, unemployed, virgin, unmarried. Everything, to be honest. I'm a loser as hell. I don't know what to do with life, and I started streaming because, well, I want to at least say justify my gaming addiction. That's all. See ya. Okay, there was an error. There was an error. Let me see. Let me see. What does it say? Place by file. Okay. Place by file say something. Okay. Result model or transcribe audio. What error does it say? Holy shit, my scroll wheel is broken as well. I cannot see what the fuck is going on. Transcribe.py. Log mill spectrogram audio model dilemmas. Okay, no, not asking about that one. Charge from numpy audio. Audio is equal to charge from numpy audio. What error does it say though? Maybe I'm using the same variables again. Business speech to okay file. Okay. Expected NP. Okay, NP ND array. Maybe it's like convert it into ND array or something. Initial prompt hello. Maybe like let me check. Result. We need it here, right? Listen. Source. Yes, there won't be any. Phrase stream false. Okay. Convert this into an ND array. How do we convert? Okay, let me see. I will delete this shit. Let's see. We have this. And is cascade working now? Nope. My boy is still out cold. Let me restart. Also, maybe that will fix everything. Let's see now. Is cascade working? It is my water. My precious water. Water. Okay. What is the console saying now? I'm having to deal with this so fucking kidding. Process ID powerful. Okay, whatever that is. There's a win script activate. Yep. Activated it. Now I need to run it once and it creates a new terminal and then I can delete these two terminals successfully. Module not found whisper. Okay. What does it say? Module not found whisper. What? Let me try this. What does it say? What the hell is wrong with this? Each time it just shows a different error. What does it say? Okay, chat line module speech microphone.py. Okay, that is indeed true. Port runner. Port runner file. Okay, I guess I will leave it like that. Speech file. We got speech file here. I think this is working, right? Yep. Here it is working. But only in that place it doesn't. Why is that? Import whisper. It says import whisper is not available or something. Let me see. Maybe now it works. Import whisper. Nope. I don't know that. Let me run this one now. Okay, now it works. What? Oh, why? Excuse me. Excuse me, you're running the wrong file. I want to run this file, not the other one. Hello. How are you? My name is Joseph and I'm unemployed working, or whatever you call it. I'm Goon too if you want that too. Expected ND array. We need an ND array for this, but we got an audio data. That's the issue. We need to convert audio data into ND array. Tiny. I need tiny. That's one thing. How do I convert this audio data? What was it called? Audio data, right? Audio data to NP ND L. Okay, NPND ARRY ARRY array. Let me just add this to chat or something. We see. Okay, how do I? Then we will say this is the error or something. Resident. I think here. Send to chat. Let's see what sort of stupid ass fix gives me. Convert to NPI. Okay. We do need numpy though. Import numpy. Import numpy as np. Numpy as np. Yes, that was given. What we need to do next is after the audio source is received, I need raw is equal to audio dot get raw data. Sample width is equal to audio dot sample width. Data type is equal to in. Be in 16 if sample width is equal to 2, else okay, then convert to np. If you need floating point values, I guess that works too, but let's see now what is np from buffer raw d type. Okay, this is actually harder than I thought. I thought this project would be quite easy. He just directly does it. What the hell? Get wave data. Order get wave data. Okay, maybe they have a inbuilt function for np from buffer. So np from buffer is what actually does that. Then we have audio dot get wave data. Maybe it's something that comes with speech recognition. Let me check speech recognition, right? Did I open the browser? Nope, I did not open the browser. Let me check. Speech recognition py. Thank you. Okay, let's do they allow us to search here? Get wave okay, wave whole architecture. Okay, search the whole Python buffer. Now man, I wanted to search within this. Can I somewhere? Probably not though. Speech recognition install. Okay, no. I want to go within this documentation and see recognition.group is a threshold. Initial threshold a good value automatically. Okay, recognize the instance adjust for ambient noise. Okay, that's a good thing to do. Recognize Phoenix, IBM Quantify. I guess I can sit here and read later, but for now I need to move forward first. Might at least do something, then we can change. Needs to work before we can test, that kind of thing. Oh, the problem is I don't know how that it can. We will try here speech recognition, and within speech recognition, say in speech recognition, or maybe try saying where the hell is this? No, bro, where the hell is this? Windsurf. Here it is. Damn. There are too many things that I can. What we need? Let's see if it actually works. Get wave data. What we do is like get wave data to TP. Oh yeah, we do get this. What do we get? Wave data, right? From buffer. Buffer data type. Okay. Did you say it's data type np.16? Let me check what this means real quick. What this means. What this means. Okay. What this means. Question mark. Okay. Between that 16-bit values, we find the parse it, maybe parse the audio file into a 16-bit numerical array or something. Yep, probably that's what's going on in PRA. Yep, that's what's going on. Well, what is this though? This is what I want to know. Speech recognition. This function. What does this function do? That's what I want to know. Speech recognition. This. Okay. Let's see. Okay, that. What the hell does it not say? What this function do? Question mark. If it doesn't work, I'll just say more. The context of Python is gateway for the function to retrieve the audio data, the audio object, which really results from the result recording or loading audio that converts into wave format byte string. This allows for saving audio data to a file in the standard wave format, which is common format for byte string. It will convert the audio format to a byte string, right? Typically results from the function is used to retrieve audio data from an audio data object. Oh, okay. It's the object. Let me see. Now what does it say? What error does it say? Hello, my name is Joseph. I don't know what I am doing, but I will try my best. Partitioning is still working. What does it say now? Returns complex one. Okay, this time it's a different error. Tensor of floating point complex values. np audio is np.as type. np float 30. If you need floating point values, maybe this. Okay. Yes, maybe I'll do the whole file so I can do it better. This is the audio recognition model demo field model I am working with. I wanted with and this is the error I got. Let's see now. Let's copy this whole fucking thing. Paste it here. Could I just add it? What am I doing? I'll just send it to chat. Tell me what went wrong. And how to fix it. It's not error. It's just what went wrong. This point. Terminal code. Speech microphone that by the way. Let's see. Does this work? That is a question. Okay, proposing a solution for the errors. Okay, proposing edit. Does this actually work? Yeah, I should change models or something. Oh. Crash occurred because the whisper expected a flow 32. Okay. Numpy then ranges from 0. But your code handle recognition data object is an in. Okay. Maybe I probably cannot change it here, right? In P. Flow 32. Oh wait. I can change it here. Okay, let me check that. Hello, my name is Joseph. and I'm a streamer. I don't know. Maybe not. It still throws an error though, but this time it's smaller. Or is it throwing an error though? Invalid values. What does it say this time? Expected parameters log it's. Oh, distribution. Okay, bro. Each time it just each single time it gets even worse. What is the problem with you, brother? What's the problem with you? Maybe Whisper has like a direct microphone access model. Let me check. I don't know if it has though. If it has, there is no need for me to go doing all of this stuff, you know. As Whisper has a microphone access model. You can see help, decoding options, more examples, show and tell, array discussion, sword and window, desktop. Swords and window desktop app GPA for transcribe and translate audio offline on a personal computer. Okay, fix error. Okay, cool. GPAs are now available. So immediately exits. Okay. Say that like nesting models could be a bad idea because like the data types completely vary. This causes a lot of issue, then a lot of good. Well, just yes. I don't know. Let me see. What exact is the data type that it means? I did say 30 float. Maybe we can do the same shit again and see what's changed now. Send to chat. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. No, it throws differ and error. Even so, for object is a model that recognizes a direct 32-bit something. Okay, this error is once again here. I don't know why this keeps on happening though. Because I cannot do anything. Yeah, they're updating something or something. Let me check. Let me create a new chat here and it'll start loading infinitely. Sure, bro. Good job, good job. Ooh. Getting input from a source is so damn hard. Warming up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What would be the error though? Raw audio. I do give it exactly that. LT float 2. Let's see now. I'll post this file here. The error file would be somewhere here, right? Nope, it is not there. I need to run this file once again. What is this? Module on phone speech recognition SSR. Okay. Let me activate it also. I think it was activation. No, it probably works. Yeah. No, it does. Let's see now. Hello, my name is Reza Page and I'm blank. Okay. It's already throwing errors. Let's see. Maybe I need to have this outside of the model so that it doesn't interrupt. No, maybe that's it. Let me go like back once. I will remove this file here again. Then with that, no, that means that it only when the whole audio is recorded, the next step actually happens. Hmm. Let's see now. I'll give it this old file. What I'll say is this rows. Oh, let me check this. But now the problem is audio file is not inside this. Maybe no, it will throw an error. What I will do is like raw audio. I get a raw audio. Said none. Say then. It is a global variable, not a local variable. Hello, my name is Reza Pets, and I don't know what I'm doing. Yay. Okay, I guess it is not stopping. I don't know what. Did I do something wrong? Excuse me. Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Someone? Anyone? Oh, I see. It's bugged. Maybe it's looping immediately or something. This is the problem with abstractions. You don't know what you're working with. It's annoying. So, maybe is there like a direct way to get the microphone? I will build the model or whatever the fuck I need to do. I'll use Torch and build my own fucking model at this point. But then trading it would be a lot of pain too. That's also a problem. Let's see. Say something as source, okay. Audio. The fuck do I give it? Model. Maybe I will create the model outside of here. So it doesn't have to create other time. Okay. Oh, there's only one model exists. Model.transcribe. Model doesn't loop. Print doesn't loop either. Maybe. Yeah. Let me check. I'll paste this here now. Okay. Let me do this and see what exactly is going on. Hello, my name is Joseph Page. I don't know what I'm doing. It's full of error and I don't even know how I need to fix it. Okay, we got the error. Good. We got the same error. This throws an error. Error. Send terminal. How the hell do you send terminal? Push me. How do I send terminal? Send to chat, I guess. That works too. Group by providers. I will use group thinking beta. Yeah. Tell me what went wrong and fix it. Maybe that's why building a JavaScript based platform is actually way easier. I don't know. What is the time? Almost 10. Oh, I've been sitting here for 2 hours doing nothing. Okay, bro. I did no shit for 2 hours. Let's go. I could just use the normal model that comes with like speech recognition, but that shit's ass, bro. I don't know. That is so ass. I don't want to do it. What are the best? How to? You just directly ask to how to get input from microphone in. What do you call this thing? Microphone in Python. And this guy is stuck again, I think. Oh, he's still thinking. He's still going, bro. Speech again. easiest approach. This is like being a library supports real-time microphone input and APIs. Basic code to capture input. Okay. Recognizer.listen. Sort of recognizer. Okay, recognizer.listen. Then there is no need for recognizer, right? I don't use recognizer though. Yeah. Explanation. Use Google's cloud to speech text optional. I don't know that. Pi audio. Install Pi audio. Wave format. Pi audio PA in audio format in 16-bit PCM channels 1. I don't know. Maybe I cannot do this though. I don't think I can do this. Record segments. Duration to record. Output file. To Pi audio dot Pi audio. Maybe I'll just say live recording or something. Live recording. That is, I want the text to record live as I speak. And having A is so easy. I don't have to go to hundreds or thousands of documentation to just know what I want. I just type it and they do it the thing for me. Required libraries. By audio. Port audio. Oh. Audio files so you may need to insert port audio because so you can use. Okay. Google Cloud Speech. Google Speech recommendation for real time. Understand. Speech recognition queue time Google Cloud Speech. Okay. Records audio from the microphone and add to the queue. Just record audio. Is equal to pi audio dot pi audio. Pi audio dot pi audio function and stream p dot open format is equal to format to channels returns. Okay, these are the options that we create first. Create input true. Print per okay, print recording speak now. While true. Data is equal to stream dot read chunk exception on overflow false. Audio queue dot put data. Transcribe audio. Speech dot speech client. Conditional speech or speech client. Config. Recognition config encoding speech. Okay. What is this encoding? They use a different encoding like so of the recognizer that I use here. Make this like this maybe. This would be easier to see now for you guys. Since of the recognizer, they use some recognition config and audio encoding a different model. Then sample rate is 16 Hz, 16,000 Hz, and language is in US. Config. This is not even a full function. It's just config. That's all. Generate audio chunks. Okay, within our functions, they have function generate audio chunks. While true, chunk is equal to audio queue dot get. Yield speech dot streaming recognize request audio content is equal to chunk. Well, no, bro, get out of my way. Generate audio chunks. Okay, while true, chunk is equal to audio get. Request is equal to generate audio chunks. Response is equal to client dot streaming dot recognize streaming config request. For response and response for result in response and results. Hey, this is of headache, but I'm starting to understand like what they're trying to do. They are using transcribe audio. Okay, transcribe audio is used to like recognize what I'm saying, and this is like record audio. It uses like this channels and whatever. I think I don't know how this works, but they use that to stream while to okay data. Audio queue dot put data. Audio queue. What is audio queue, bro? Audio queue. Okay, here it is. Queue dot queue. This is in this queue they put the data. Then what they do is audio queue dot get chunk. Well, true for each chunk audio queue dot get is retrieved. Then yield speech streaming recognize request audio content is equal to chunk. Streaming recognize request. Okay, we comes from here. Streaming recognition config, recognize request, streaming config. Okay, I see. Streaming config, this whole thing along with the requests, along with the chunks. Okay, it's what I meant. Yield generate audio chunks because is equal to generate audio chunks. This response client.streaming. Okay, I think this is too much for my brain for now. I'll take it slow, one step at a time. What I'm saying, how long is this guy? Think. Was it a mistake for me to ask him to think? Dude, I know you want to think, but give it a bit faster if possible. There ain't no time, non-analyzed logic tensor during whisper code, likely due to an invalid input or input numerical instability or model issues on CPU. This conflicts. What the fuck? Where is it? Being joined again and again. I don't know. Some sort of bug, I guess. Let's see. This conflicts with your intent to use Mozilla deep switch. Bro, what the hell? From memory. So I'll first review the code. This area indicates a whisper is used to instead of more as per your project. I'll first review the top file. Okay, bro, this guy is focusing on memory. Please don't focus on memory right now. But the code is using whispers. Okay. I assure you, bro, for how much this guy is thinking, he probably won't even fix it. I know for sure this guy isn't fixing shit. Let me just maybe open a new chat and this. I will directly ask you. This guy is damn useless. You cannot even stop this chat, bro. At least stop it, dude. When running, okay, at this point. This is the code. This is the code I have. This is the error I got. It is fetch here. And this is the error I got. I want you to fix this. I want you to tell me. I want you to tell me what went wrong and fix it. Also make sure it actually works this time. I forgot to say. Think. Oh my freaking god! Let me see. It's a non-readable array which Python whisper use cannot provide to you. Okay. What does this guy say? Let's see. Audio format mismatch. Whisper expects the audio in a specific format. The raw audio you not see. Okay. The model is receiving input invalid audio data leading to NaN value during processing, which causes value error. To fix this, we need to ensure that the audio is writable by creating a copy of the NumPy array. Properly process the audio to match the whisper expected format. This okay. Add error handling for audio capture and processing. Use Whisper's built-in audio loading utilities to ensure compatibility. Okay, there is built-in property. That's what I'm asking. What is exactly the built-in properties? Let's see now. The first thing we need to do is see if this actually works. Only then do we have to see how it actually does it. Let's see, audio processing. The audio is saved to a temporary wave file to ensure compatibility. The preprocess audio function converts the audio to a mono, resamples to 16k hits the disperse expected sample rate and normalizes it to okay. It creates an where the hell is it though? Audio sample rate, okay. Audio sample rate is 16,000 hertz by default. Audio data, different audio shape is the one. Okay. Let me see if it works then. Then I will see if I should do this one. Okay. See if it runs. Module from sure bro. Sure buddy. Which module is not from sound waves? What the he can it was suffix with sound waves. What the X is sound waves, bro? Maybe is there any imports that I need to do? Anyway. Module not found. It said module not found, right? See what are the imports that I need to do? Okay. There is the set of imports that I need to do. Soundwaves and scripty. SciPy. Yeah. Whisper is downloaded. Wait, this guy is still going bro. Where are you even thinking at this point? Just stop. I don't want you to think. Just shut the fuck up. Stay quiet. Installing collective package, okay. Wait a minute. Let's see what we have present. What happens? The audio is saved to a temporary file to ensure continuity. Okay, the copy of entire is made to ensure the developers wait time to catch cases where no audio is related to improve general expectation handling to catch other potential errors. Dependencies. Added sound waves and SciPy for better audio handling and desampling. You need to install these dependencies, okay. Whisper configuration. Explicitly set FP16 to false in the model transcribe to avoid the FP16 warning on CPU. Okay. Let's see now. Everything is here. Now it should probably work as it is intended to. Let's see. Hello, my name is Pets and okay, but kind of fast, but it is actually doing. Hello, my name is Pets. I am unemployed and I'm a virgin. I don't know what to do. I don't know, maybe. Okay, what? Kinda cut everything and only took this one. How long is the wait time? It just instantly waits. Instantly does it. That's a problem too. Let's see now. R is equal to what does it do? Recognize the model. Okay, we do this. You share the recognition to whisper model. Okay, function to process the audio for whisper. If process audio data sample rate is equal to 6,000. Okay, we give the audio data and the sample rate, default sample rate. If len audio dot shape is greater than okay, but whatever it is, the shape is greater than then audio data is only np dot mean convert to mono. Oh, I don't know how does this work. How does converting to mono work? Okay, resample to sample rate. If sample rate is not equal to 16,000 from SciPy expects 16,000. Okay. So what we actually do is if shape is greater than 1, what we say is convert it to mono. Oh, okay. If we have stereo value, we say mono. We mean both the values and we can mean the both the values. Okay, I understand now. So what we do is next is resample is equal to 16k hertz if necessary. Whisper x 16 kHz. If sample rate is not equal to 16 kHz, from SciPy import signal audio data. Okay, what we do is, okay, audio data is equal to signal dot resample audio data int audio data into 16,000 by sample rate. We multiply it by length of audio data. So probably like length of audio data is equal to, I don't know, bro. I don't know how this works. I'll just don't blindly to it for now. We don't have to know how it works though. Normalize the float to range between -1 to 1. Audio data is equal to audio data dot as type np dot float to float 32. Audio dot max is greater than 0. What the hell is this? Variable absolute, okay. Dot max any, okay. Audio data dot max function is greater than 0. Audio data is equal to np max is greater than 0. Audio data is equal to divided by is equal to audio data is divided by np absolute audio data dot max. What this does, what this whole thing does, what section here does. Let's see here. Let's see what we have here. With SR dot microphone sample rate is equal to 16,000 as source. Please say something. Okay. Oh, we can send sample rate here itself. We don't have to do all that. So sprint say something. Adjust ambient noises, source duration. Wait. R dot adjust, okay. We take what recognize, right? Yeah. Again, adjust for ambient noises. What is ambient noises? What is ambient? Let me check. What is ambient noise noises? The background noise is present and okay. Assuming that is okay, adjust ambient noises, duration is equal to 1. Okay, duration is equal to 1. Listen for audio. Audio is equal to r dot listen. Source. You got source. Timeout is equal to 5 seconds. Okay. Let's not say timeout is equal to 5 seconds. Edit. Phase time limit is equal to 10. Okay, I mean, we'll remove both of that. Okay, with temp file dot name temporary file. Okay, save the audio to temporary save file. Okay, temp file. Okay, with temp file named temporary file, temp file temporary file. Temporary file here, import. It is directly done. With temp file dot name temporary file, suffix is equal to dot wave file. Okay, suffix is equal to dot wave. Delete is equal to false as temp. Then where is the wave file? Should have been created for this, right? Delete is equal to false as temp file. Temp file dot write audio dot get wave data. Temp file path is equal to temp file name. Okay, temporary file name. Temporary file name. File dot name. We write the audio data and we write the wave data within it, and then we delete. We get the path of the file too. Okay, that's good. But then sample rate isn't this like outside of this though? How can you even access? Maybe in Python we can access all variables are global, or all variable global in Python, or all variables global in Python? Question mark. No, right? No, not all variables are global in Python. Python also scope which determines which variable can be accessed and modified. Yeah. Oh, it is creating here. I see. Temp file is creating here. Hey, wait. Even that means this part shouldn't be accessible. I don't know how it accesses it though. See, how it accesses it. This is it. Okay, it's fine. I'll see it later. Sample rate, audio data is equal to wave file dot read. Is equal to wave file dot read file path. Okay, we read from that file path. The audio data is equal to pre-process audio. audio data, come on, sample rate. Let's see. Sample rate and audio data. We read it from the wave file. Wave file.read. I think we have wave file.read somewhere here. Oh, it's a direct object in Python maybe. Wave file.read, temp file path. Okay. We read the sample rate and data from the file, then audio data is equal to preprocessed audio. We preprocess the audio. Preprocessed audio is this function where we, I think, include it. Okay, audio sample rate. We give a sample rate with it too. And if not given, it takes the default sample rate of 16,000. What we do is, if it's a stereo audio, we create it, we make it mono. Then sample rate is not equal to 16,000. Sample rate is not equal to 16,000. We use the sample rate to put audio data. Not equal to 16,000 means we make the sample rate to be 60,000. 16,000. What do we do? Into length of audio data. Okay. Into 16 divided by 16. What difference does it make? Oh, maybe sample rate is maybe 20, 32. Maybe let us assume that maybe 32,000. What the fuck does it make? Length of audio data into 16. I don't know. I don't know how this works too. Maybe it's something like audio thing. I think I never worked with audio before, so I don't know about this. Give me preprocessed audio data, sample data. I see. We give both of this. Audio data is equal to np.copy. Okay, np.copy audio data. The preprocessed audio data is copied into audio data is equal to np dot. Ensure that the array is writable. Okay. If we just return this, that means that the array is not writable. That's why we copy the values into the audio data again. Then we say result is a model or transcribe this, and if p16 false, we give it default because it doesn't need transcription result. Text is equal to os.unlink. About clean up temporary effect. Oh, okay. This is where we put I see. It's sort of wait a time. No audio within the time period. Okay. Good. Let's see now. Hello, my name is Cesar Pets. I'm a VTuber and a streamer who streams about. I'm VTuber and a stream. VTuber and a stream. Damn, bro. I'm a VTuber and a stream. No, the problem with the file is that it converts the data instantly. It doesn't wait for me to complete the listen source command. If I keep it outside, it cannot access the files even. What should I do? Take this. Hello. Okay. Hello, I am Reza Pets. I'm a VTuber and a streamer. I'm a resultist. I'm a VTuber, but I'm not a streamer. I mean, like, it's doing its best. That's all you can say. Let me maybe turn this to turbo and see if there is any difference. Hello, I'm Reza Pets. I'm a VTuber and a streamer. Is it working? Maybe it's taking a long time because I use the turbo model. That's why it's taking a long time too. I'm a Racer Pets. Okay, it's actually this is close, but the problem is it takes a long time. And it is not like word to word. You cannot see what exactly it says until the whole sentence is done, right? That's kind of a problem too. I want like the word to word, but then that means that I have to listen to each audio addition that it gets. I need to run this one. What I'll do is instead of the thinking mode, I'll just interact with it, chat mode. I think that's good too. Group 3 beta. I think that's more than fine. What I'll do is I'll take this 4 5. I feel like I'm just vibe coding at this point. I don't know what I'm doing, but I guess I can learn it later. Even I'm free. I don't know. It's not like the boring is already not boring. Stream is not already boring, but you know what takes no, this is working, but there is a problem. Adjust the energy threshold dynamically using from the source, an audio source instance to account for ambient. Intended to calibrate the energy threshold with the ambient energy level should be used on periods of audio without speech. Stop early if any speech is detected. The duration parameter is the maximum number of seconds that will dynamically adjust the threshold for before returning. This value should be at least 0.5 in order to get a representative sample of the ambient noise. Maybe I'll say 2. And then I don't know if it works though. There is a there is, but there's 2 things that I want. One is I want the text to be recognized and printed as I speak instead of listening to the whole sentence and giving me a value that USSI be possible this framework, or should I change framework or question mark? Also chat, so give a chat based. We step a crossing body in a smaller congestion, but this additional second and over the folks is something like this. But towards streaming, it may be aligned with the data file. Most suitable. This are reason for you can answer. Okay, Kaldi. I will see what Kaldi is. What does it change? Moves those things. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Let's see if it works, then we'll determine if it's good or not. Nope, it's already starting to throw an error. Wave file. Encode wave file. Where is it asking me to encode wave file? Okay, bro, what do you want from me? It was just few seconds ago perfectly. Now it asked me to install wave file. Install wave file. Wave file. I don't think I have to do that though. Check. Let me try running this. Don't ask me to install something like that. Let's see. Let's see what is it now. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Too many values to unpack. Okay, let's see. So this is not. Let me check what Kaldi is about. He says something about Kaldi is the better approach, right? Maybe I will try that. Let me open browser. Kaldi, right? Kaldi Beach streaming recognition. Streaming recognition. This problem that includes functional like streaming recognition, which allows real-time transcription of audio as it being received. Kaldi ASMR. Damn, this looks like one whole site. uh let's say no. And there is one thing that I know, the using this is going to be so hard. Oh, the documentation is so bad. Maybe is there better documentation for this? Assembly, okay. There's a simple tutorial. Maybe this will say build and learn. Nope, I'm not accepting it, please. Base Ubuntu. Oh, I'm not downloading it in Ubuntu, brother. What is guy saying? Kaldi ASMR. Maybe look at them like the course video or something that I streamed today. Exit Kaldi real time recognition on Android app. Kaldi for dummies tutorial. Okay, thank you very much. This is exactly what I need. This following the okay. Already installing Kaldi. Here transition to GitHub for all feature development. You first need to install Git, the most current version. Okay then. Hey, isn't this like an install feature or something? Is why the head is also just installing Kaldi? If you want to get updates or bug fixes, you use the checkout version. Okay, because you have to directly do it. Maybe what I'll do is like I do have it open, right? Let's say how do you but clear memory though? Customizations, memory rules. I see memories, within speech. Okay. What I'll say is at browser source Kaldi. Know how I said? You know how I said I wanted. Okay, I want to use all the speech model to build I want you to access this whole site and read and learn everything about the Kaldi speech model along with its streaming URS features and store them in memory for future, for if you give future use in this project. Hey then, after this does it, let's get a planning. Okay, maybe say like that. Oh, hey, open browser. Okay, that's a lot. I wonder how it is going to scrap all of that. That's an insane amount of things. Hmm. Let's see. How we doing ish? Multi-page contents. This works like shit, to be honest. And the problem will be that I don't know this. Hmm. Tiny Howard page contents. It will take some time. It will take some time. Import whisper low. Until then, we maybe can see some tutorial or something. Kaldi, there is an for example, for the purpose of your precondition, your purpose, your first task, something to begin with. Create a photo or digital extent. This is very good. Put all the stuff related to your project. Okay. All the data. 10 different speakers. Yes, our systems must be trained and tested on different speakers. More speakers you have, better. Each speaker has 10 sentences. 100 sentences, utterances. Star wave. Profile plus, okay. Exactly. Maybe he's giving like an example Kali, example simple Kali. Let me check this maybe. And then availability. Okay, helpful now. How do we even access this? Where can I see okay what are the tools, how to install Kaldi or something like that? The bare minimum computing environment to run Kaldi is an unique Linux environment. It's possible to run in a single machine, although of course it will be slow and you may have to reduce the number of jobs you use in some of the example scripts. Okay, bro, this is a problem. It says it needs Unix like environment. Kali is best tested on Red Hat Linux, but will run on Linux distribution of Mac OS X. Kali script must have been such a way. Okay, so can Kali be used in? Let me check. Kali be used in Windows devices? No, I'm really wasting my time. The Kali is primarily designed for Linux and Unix. It is possible to use it on Windows, though it's not officially supported and may require more effort. The recommended effort for approach for users utilization. Oh my god, bro! Hell, fucking no! Going into virtual machines just for audio recognition. Hell, fucking now, bro! I'm not doing that now, man. You do not read out anything. You don't need to do shit. Just shut up and stay quiet. Refresh rules, okay? Global. No, not global now, man. My bad. Workspace, okay. Now, how do I do this shit? Let's see. Let me check like this. Speech recognition does not allow streaming, but it could like do some sort of speech recognition. It doesn't have a good web page either. Oh, there is here, so it's no problem. Let's see. Let's start from the top. Let's remove all of this and we'll start our own. Okay, we'll start all of this. Let's just say print Let's say this and see if it actually works. Yes, it does work. Now, why does it say red? What the hell is that? Like, the first thing we need is creates an object. Grammars returns a set of collection of speech grammar object that represents the grammar that will be understood by the current speech. Okay. Let me say import speech recognition as const r is equal to speech recognizer. Okay. Oh, what did I say? I'm starting to get used to Java. Print the list of all the grammars. I don't know what exactly that is, so I'll see list of microphones. Oh, I can get a list of microphones. That's good, actually. Speech recognition grammar. Speech recognition. SR dot grammar. SR dot gramm. Here. Grammar. Grammar. Let's see. Let's run it now. File. Okay. Grammar. What it is? Grammars. Need to save it. Come on, bro. Bro, what the hell is wrong with you, bro? Come on, bro. Don't do this to me, bro. Speech recognition. Okay. Recognition list. Grammar. New grammar list. Oh, it comes as an object. Recognition to grammars. Yes, sir. Okay. Speech recognition. Let me say this. So, oh, this not a Python example. I see. I see. No wonder it was different. It was creating objects and stuff. Let's see now. Speech grammar. Let me just shape all. I have this right. Reward. Yes. But what I will say is instead of this, I'll say at browser speech recognition. I want to access this whole and read everything about the speech recognition model. Speech recognition model. And store it in memory for working in this project. As it does, I will see what exactly I can do. Constructors, okay. Speech recognition of grammars, speech recognition, lang. Recognizer, class recognizer. Speech recognition in Python. Say Python. Web APIs. Then it will change maybe. Wait a minute, that's actually bad. That was web APIs. I don't want web APIs though. Medium. Whatever big file is this not? It's not fine. Speech recognition, shared API experience. One for now. Publisher auto access, yeah. Auto access. Thank you. Auto access. Is there like any freaking readme? Documentation or something? I don't know, bro. Revert back. I don't want that though. That's the problem. Maybe I can just do this, then use it in a Python file. We will know how to convert JavaScript things to Python. Let's just hope it does. Fuck. I'm going to access the site about the speech recognition API intended to learn everything relevant about your project and store speech recognition Python. Google search. Search. I encounter the issue with the specific content chunks from the Google. Open browser. I open the Geeks for search tutorial speech recognition. Yeah. As I will gather the data information on this content chunks to working with microphones. Everywhere is the real content of the real Python guidance. Okay. Yes. I don't know if it works, but like something, right? Something then nothing. Yeah, something then nothing. Now let's ask it to fix this shit. Fix this. I noticed that there's a type of potential issue in your code. Okay. Print list of all grammars. sr.grammars. Note grammars is not valid method. Hey, isn't that like the same thing? What the hell is this? Grammars. Let's see now. Nope, it just says it doesn't have an object like that. Just keep on saying that it doesn't have an object like that. What am I supposed to do, bro? Come on, bro. Speech recognition in Python. I suck at searching for things, don't I? Let's look at this. Try to go to the GitHub or something, right? Let me see before we go in further. Fast whisper. Fast whisper. Faster whisper required. Okay, the library faster whisper is required if you want to use a faster whisper. You can install it Python. Speech recognition faster whisper. Okay. Open whisper API. I could have just directly used open whisper API in this. Oh my fucking god, bro. No, but I need to give like key variable and shit like that. It is so good. Library group is only required if you want to use a group. Okay, nope, I don't want to use that either. I propose the correction. Okay, grammar fix isn't a valid method in the speech. If you list support of grammar language, that functionality isn't available through a simple method called this library. You need to refer to the documentation of specific recognition API, a Google Speech API for information. Maybe this ain't gonna work. We'll just directly do stuff, I guess. No. Say something, listen. Come on. Yeah. This is what we actually could not understand audio. So you could not request results from Google Sheet. Yeah. The thing is, instead of model load turbo. Okay, I'm trying to do it with whisper again. Nope. Not whisper. Recognize Google audio. Recognize instance. Okay, let me change it to something and see if that actually works. Let me where did I leave the file? I have this file here. I will place it to the right here. Put this to the left. Ask this to read this file too. For God's sake, bro. Cut. Okay. Saying it to cut browser. I have a file here. Come on. Speech. Okay. Probably it doesn't work. If I don't, I'll just do it like that. Okay. Yep, this is bugged as well. Let's see if it works. Hello, my name is Joseph Bates. I'm a VTuber and streamer. I see that. Is it doing something? I don't know. Hello, my name is your favorite. Whatever it doesn't know, it just completely removes it. Phoenix uses wolves. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. WoW skill. Okay, models are available for download. Okay, wait a minute. WoW skills about. Isn't this WoW skill like what is? Let me check. What is VOSK model used for? Speech recognition. Convert a spoken language into written text transcription is WoW's streaming model? Question mark. Real-time offline speech model. Oh, okay. It's primarily used for. Okay, let me try that. Now we'll take this, place it here. Okay, Python was not found. Maybe I'll just say Python not 3. Writing WoSC. Downloading. Good. Recognizer. I'll try to change maybe like the recognizer. Then say R is equal to R dot recognizer instance recognizer underscore instance. Maybe where do I even add this code to? That's the thing. Confused about. Of course, this shit doesn't work, so it's probably useless to ask. Yeah. Maybe having a lot of memory kind of fucks it up. I'll try maybe freeing up the memory. Maybe everything works. Nope, there is no memory in the first place though. Can't I refresh the memory all by itself? How do I do this? Recognizer. Maybe in here, recognizer underscore instance is equal to not is equal to sorry recognizer bro dot recognize WoSC recognize Google, not Google, but VOSK WoSC. Okay, let's see now. That throws an error. What does it say? Recognize instance is not defined. Oh my god. Then sorry, here are the models available for your download. Here to place them in the models folder of your project, like your project models, your WoSC model. Okay. I need to have a model live in my project. Lightweight wideband model for Android and RPA. Accurate and generic. It's 1.8 GB, bro. No way I'm downloading that. Big US English model with dynamic graph. What is like streaming model though? Say like any sort of streaming model. English other. English. Okay. Accurate generic US. This is 2.3 GB. I'm doing that. Big US English model with dynamic graph. Okay, that doesn't work here. I don't want that either. Indian English. What is Indian English, bro? What the fuck? French, other German, Greek, Turkish, Italian. I don't need all that. I just want one language. Accurate generic US English model trained by Carl D on Chiquita speech for podcast, not for telephony. Using this much of a big model could come at a price, right? It would be super slow. Maybe this would be better. Low weight, wideband model for Android and RPA. Try this. Enough code downloads here don't actually work. I have to copy this link, paste it in another browser, and then download it. There's no point. Just shut up. You're just so bright. Okay. There's a zip file. What am I supposed to do with zip file, bro? What the hell? What is within the zip file though? Let me check. Public. I'll change this to what I actually had before. This will go away. Okay. Oh, what did he say by the way? He said that models, your WASC model. Okay, your projects folders. Within my project folder, I need to create a new folder called models. Then within models, I need to extract this thing, right? Your WASC model. Okay. Yeah, I think I need to do that. Well, let me just say extract to I see. I will cut control X this, control X. Instead of public, I'll just go to models and paste it here. What did I refresh? Then I'll have the zip file for now. I'll remove it later. For now, there is a model, and then within the model file, there is like all of this shit. What is AMPM mode? Accurate universal English mode for both calls and mobile. Based on link. Now let's come here. See how the hell do you connect this and this. Maybe I'll restart this browser first. Give me a minute, I'll go take a piss and come. Be right back, guys. I am back. Let's see. Now it is back. Go to memory. There are some stupid memory. I'll just remove all these. And what I'll do is here. What was it? Speech recognition Python. Speech recognition Python. And the first thing that came. Yep, this is the one. I'll just ask it to learn from this. This one side is more than enough. There is no history, I see. But browser speech recognition Pythons. Yo. Want you to learn from this. Learn about this this side and tell me how to pass it into Python code, how to change or just say change. They say pass it or editing, change the code to Python. Right, still okay. I'll happy. Okay, okay. How do you do this? I tried to add a walls instance for this recognizer, but I don't know how to do it. Also, see if I have established the walls model perfectly. Perfectly. Okay. Hmm. See, I still have a lot of credit. I don't have any ways to be. What the heck is going on? Um, Let me see this. Okay, model path is equal to model out. Wait, see if it actually works first. Yep, it already threw an error. What is speech recognition? Of course, I need to activate or something, right? I think now it works. It throws an error that failed to create a model. Why is that? Let me see. Model path is equal to model was model in US. The model is equal to model path. R is equal to SR dot recognize. SR dot source please say something. Or audio dot R dot listen source. Wave data is equal to audio dot get wave data. Recognize is equal to quality recognizer. Oh, what the? Okay, within was we can import this quality recognizer model, comma, audio sample rate, model, comma, audio sample rate. Recognizer is equal to accept waveform. Recognizer is equal to, okay, we build the recognizer within the function. Model is equal to audio sample rate. Audio sample rate. Recognizer is equal to accept waveform wave data. Okay. Result is equal to JSON dot loads dot result. Get the result. Okay, result is equal to JSON dot loads recognizer dot result. Why do we should do a JSON then we get it back? Regardless, it just says model is state. What is the error mean? What does the error? At this point, I'm just quite fully. I'm not even programming. I don't even know what the hell's going on. This means that the path to the model is incorrect. The model files are not present in the specified directory, or the model files are present but not the expected format structure. Let me address we are updating the path to use an absolute self-relative one. Help avoid. Okay. Models. No, I am in component folder. I go back from component. Wait. So where is the model one though? Nope. What is two? Conf New. Goon. What the hell is this, bro? Words is okay. This is a set of words. Truth, stutter. Okay. I understand. I can add a word to this. Then I think they give each unique ID. I think for each word. Alien words. Damn. I vector final is spline or something. Read me. I think I'm way off the mark of what exactly I wanted to do. And I just want to listen to. I just want you to listen to me. How are you going to listen to me? Come on, listen to me. Microphone. Call the recognizer. What exactly is the problem, bro? Say models. Create a model with this. Where exactly does this model come from? Well, let me see, do they have any sort of like WASC, right? VOSK WASC. Offline speech recognition model. Okay, it's a Chinese model. That's a problem. That's one. Dependencies array. Okay, iOS build Python for clear. Oh, here. There is here. To install through WASC. Okay. Please know there's some platform that fully installed. Okay. Now we have Python if needed. Install okay. Python 3 version. We have trouble installing. Check the output of the reference. Okay, Python a server compilation sources usage example. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Hello guys, welcome back.
Solution. Let's see. I don't need that. How to use. Let's see. What does he have? Okay. Let's go down. WASC. This directly does it though. Look at that. From WASC import model, quality recognizer, set log. Yeah. I'm doing the exact thing. Don't I? If am I wrong with the where exactly that exists? We will try installing WASC. That will Python install WASC or something. So basically doing that, I'll just try Python install EOSP WASC. Can't open file. Install. What the? What this guy saying, bro? Please know that some platforms are not fully supported by PIP. For example, release with if you are trouble checking the output of the commands reference. PIP 3. Okay, maybe we'll try pip install WASC. So Python install WASC, maybe I'll try pip install WASC. Humans already satisfied. Okay, I guess WASC is indeed installed. I think. Don't know. WASC satisfied. WASC. Okay. Humans already satisfied. Then WASC is already here. What am I? Why does it say that? WASC is not here. The model is not actually there. Does not contain model files. Make sure you have specified model path. The folder this does not contain model files. Make sure you specify the model path. Okay. This path is what is say relative path from there. Maybe I'll try this. Hello, my name is Page. I'm a VTuber. Blue, 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 blue. Is it not ending or is it performing pre-processing the audio? So my name is as if it's I remember to do but repeatable. Okay, brother. These models are all bad. I don't know. At this point, it feels like all the models are bad. There are no like good recognition models. I feel like the Whisper one is good, but the problem is needs full sentences. Hmm. Maybe I'll try Whisper. Okay, give me a minute. Yeah, there was another one called Whisper, right? Faster Whisper or something. It's for microphone users. Okay, Pi audio for microphone users. Pi audio. Okay, install port audio. Do install port audio. What the hell is this? Okay, we do have microphones, so I don't think that that's an issue. Host for host users. Recognize instance. Recognize host. I see. I do use WASP, no, but that's not good. That's what. So okay. Only required a faster whisper. Hmm. See now. Black whisper for whisper users. Hmm? Okay, speech again. Should whisper local. Hmm. I think maybe I'll try this. Give me a minute. I'll try maybe with whisper. I'm installing a lot of files. After this, I need to clean up. Oh my god. Pip. Install this. Okay. Requirements already satisfied. Requirements already satisfied. Whatever that is. Okay. Sound file. Now I have installed I want you to get a hinge the code in this to use the whisper model. This is whisper tiny model. I don't think it will work. I'm glad you installed speech recognition library below this update. Okay. How does it do though? That's the question. Oh, this is how it does. Okay, okay. This directly goes here. Let me see. Does that work? Yeah, the recognizer and all that stuff. Model path, model. I don't think we need anything of this now. I'll just comment all of this. Keep it like that. Recognizer. Okay, recognize whisper. After we create the recognizer, we use the recognize whisper. Then we give the audio ACN. All this stuff. Let's see now. Let's try running in. Message pimp install requirements. What the hell, bro? Hello, my name is Pets and I'm a VTuber and a streamer. He's just installing the model now. But that's fine, I guess. That's fine. Install the model. Hello, my name is Space and I'm a VTuber. And this is a Shrika. Okay. I think we are getting somewhere. We are getting there. Space, okay, that's bad, but maybe we can okay, we cannot feed this model anything, right? Can we train this? Can we train the what is this model? Speech recognition, right? Speech recognition model module with any sort of with custom data question mark. If you can, that would be a good thing. I think this is working. This is getting somewhere. What are all the possible values though? That's something that I want to see. Faster whisper is required only if you want to use faster whisper. What is faster whisper? This is a implementation of OpenAI's whisper model, which is fast inference engine for transformer model. This implements to 4 times faster than the same accuracy while using less memory. Okay, why am I using that then? Excuse me. A large V2 models on GPU. Open whisper time precision. Faster whisper batch 8 faster whisper here. Is there like comparison of things? Faster whisper, smaller models on CPU, large models on GPU. Okay, faster whisper here on like 1 minute 3 seconds. Okay, the streamer will just go off before it could even send the chat. Okay, let me see this. Faster whisper, right? Let me check that then. Faster whisper. I'll just install. Where is it? Okay, whisper local. Oh, you can just. Okay, you can use the same local, right? Check. No. This is different platform. So it is faster whisper. Let me check how that works, and if it is better, I can use that. Okay, downloading. Good. We're getting somewhere finally. For all this damn time. Okay, wait a minute. Training speech and custom data is possible, but it depends on the specific model and library you're using. Since you're currently using custom models, let's discuss options. Model training developed by custom data, but this process is not directly supported with the speech recognition library. Referring to whisper requires open an original whisper repository from which is our data. Prepare your data. You need to prepare the data set. So it install whisper. Okay. Integrate with your code. After training, you can load your fine-tuned model. back. Faster underscore whisper. Let's see how this works. Oh, my bad. Let's do this. Hello, my name is Pets and I'm a VTuber and a streamer. How many times am I saying this? Let's see how fast it is. Did it say 1 minute, right? Let's see. That does take a long time. Okay. Oh, it's importing tigers right now. Of course it takes a long time. Importing tigers right now. What? Please make sure it is open in your library. What? What the hell? Do not locate student ops. .dll. Please make sure it is on. Fix this. Okay. Let's just say that. See what we have here. I see that you are encountering an issue faster whisper model due to missing CUDA library. This error occurs because the faster whisper is trying to use GPI again, but the necessary CUDA libraries are not found on your system. Let's update your code by specifying only CPU only operations faster whisper. Okay, maybe that might device. It's not CUDA. CPU. Maybe CUDA would be better than being user file after I had to though. Hello, my name is Pets. I'm a streamer and a VTuber. Not even say some anything. Bro just went straight to doing Okay, what does it say? Transcribe model or transcribe audio array. What does it say now? For an unexpected device. Okay, the device is not an actual thing. Let's see. Is there any like function? Nope, doesn't say that too. You know what? I'll just go back to whisper model. I think that was way easier. The problem is now I have to see how I can teach this model. Is there even a way to teach this model? Yes, you're getting speech even when I'm not speaking or after I'm done speaking. Energy threshold. Again, can't recognize speech right after it starts listening for the first time. Okay, adjust the ambient noise before and recognize the instance dot adjust ambient noise. Okay, we'll do then. Let me after do we create the model again? Recognize whisper R. Okay, R dot recognizer instance recognize score. Oh, I need the source ambient. We do remove ambient noise. I need the source. Recognize instance instance. Wait a minute, what the hell is going on here? Just say that, right? Recognize R dot adjust for ambient noise. R dot adjust for ambient noise. Oh, I understand. Okay, this was a variable all this time. Oh, fucking idiot. This was a variable. The recognize instance was a variable. Damn. Let me see. Needs at least value of water. What was it again? 0.5 or something. Source. Come on. Duration is 0 to 1. Or maybe say 2. Then maybe 1.5 or something. Does it have to come before it? No, right? I don't know. Is that how it goes? I don't know. Set to high to start with. Okay. The solution is to decrease the threshold or call before we shall settle the threshold to good value automatically. Okay, try setting. Okay, it doesn't understand particular language or dialect. Try setting recognition language to the pure language dialect. To do this documentation, see the documentation for Phoenix, Google recognize Bing with recognize API, recognize Foundify, recognize IBM. For example, if your language or dialect is better to use ENGB as language than ENUS. Okay, I see. Then what should I just say? ENIN? Let me see. I think there would be one further too. I think I did read somewhere that Indian English or some shit like that. I don't know where though. Maybe language EN. I what the hell? It's not working. IN. Let's see if this works. Hello, my name is Joseph Pets, and I'm a VTuber and an engineer. Okay, there was unsupported. What about ENUS? Hello, my name is Joseph Pets, and I'm a VTuber and an engineer. This shit will take a long time, bro. I don't think I can finish this project anytime soon. Still don't even know how to get a content for this. Reward. This thing just doesn't accept any kind of bullshit. Basically, instead of model language r dot language ENUS ENIN. Let me see if that works. Hello, my name is Razor Pets. I'm a VTuber and an engineer. I am a VTuber and an engineer. Actually, that's not bad. Actually, instead of duration, I'll just say one. Okay, it's cutting off some of my sentence to VTuber and an engineer. Okay, actually that's fine. What if I just say ENLANGU something? It's going to throw an error, and that's exactly what I want to do. Hello, my name is Elizabeth, and I was wondering if this code will throw an error. Okay, it doesn't seem to be returning throw error or what? Let's see. Is there anything that I can learn from this thing? As a hangs on recognize instance, specifically when it's calling. Hey, calling my computer. This program doesn't run. So, Goon 2 developing. I think this is throwing an error. I think actually it is throwing an error. Maybe that's why it doesn't give a value at all. Let me see. Hello, my name is Reza Pets and I am a VTuber and an engineer. Hello, I am Joseph Pitts. Okay, I'm a VTuber and an engineer. Yes, I'm Joseph Pitts now. Who the fuck is that? Maybe I need to talk a little slower for this, but I don't have the patience to do that, to be honest. What mod? I don't understand. How are those models so accurate though? Check what AI speech recognition model does group or AI chat bots use question mark. Let's see. Google primarily utilizes its own large model. Okay. They use their own model to like determine what they are trying. What they're trying to say rather than actually getting every word right. What would they be meaning to say and stuff like that? We also provide a WebSocket server and gRCP server which can be used to transform to other applications which is bigger more adapted to a Python module build. This was this C# Node.js installed. Wasp. It's almost what? 7:15. I think I'm actually enjoying this. I didn't even realize the time actually was passing this much. Wait a minute. Damn. Let's see now. Now the thing is, instead of it doing each word for each source, I wanted to do a source, each listen. How exactly can I do that thing? Listens here, but how can I text dot then there is no dot then or something like this in this, right? Yeah, doesn't seem to be. Let's see. I will ask it myself. If I don't know something, I can just ask them. I want to create a pseudo streaming. I want to see create a PSUED or pseudo system pseudo streaming system that allows this to print text as it is listening in real time. How to do it? When you don't know something, you ask that. That's how you do it. Create a pseudo streaming system for real time speech recognition, print text, and modify the current of speech recognition library, which natively supports, but we can simulate the paper processing smaller chunks. Okay. Okay. What the hell? Some microphone couldn't say something or just ambient source. Okay, all of these are same. Wait. Please save the file and try again. Okay. Excuse me. All the recognized model. Okay. No. Actually, what is going on? No. What the hell is going on? What the hell is going on? Still don't understand why does it say just Vosk is error? So that's very confusing. Maybe did it learn from Vosk too? Memories generated. I guess no memories. What's the point of having that feature? I guess. Maybe using its inbuilt features are not going to work that good. I'll try to create this again. Oh, my bad. Okay. Import was import from was import Paldian. Okay. Let's create a model here. I don't know why JSON or time is needed, but text is equal to recognize voice. What we do is let me see Kaldi was words. Yeah, transcriber. But it just says transcriber, bro. I don't want transcriber though. Come on. Transcriber SRT. What the heck? Why are all these documents so damn shit? They have like better documents or something. Was models. Was KPI. Not KPI, bro. Language model adaptation. Docs. Documentation. Let's see here. Automatic speech recognition with Vosk. Okay. Is there any programming, bro? We're installing additional tools to use. Vosk CLI uses MPEG to extract audio from a media file with specific parameters. But I don't want a media file, though. That's the thing. YouTube DLL. This tool will be used to download and extract audios from YouTube to demonstrate how Vosk works. Using the CLI. Install DL. Transcriber help. Choose the model. List model. Vosk. If list model. Let's see. Wait a minute. Vosk hyphen list model, right? Just say UASK. Wait, what is it again? Okay, there's a lot of things that is open. Let me close. That's okay. I don't think this is going up. It completely crashed. Was transcriber. Let me check that. Okay. Yeah, will this work? Okay, there are many things, but not the exact thing that I. What is my model? 0.22. Let's see. Model.en.us. Here it is. en.us 0.22 EL graph. Yeah, there is this model. Look at this. Models. Okay, I import that. en.us model. Here it is. EL graph. Model path. Model, then model. I'm right. Yeah. Let me check if the model is being created. Okay, the model is being created. So my name is, well, say something. It doesn't even create it though. It cannot even print it. I don't have any print features available. Now let's see now. Now what I need to do is use was quality recognize. Text is equal to quality recognizer audio. Dot recognize. What is this dot recognize? I don't know. Doesn't seem like a feature though. Hello, my name is Pets. I am a VTuber. Okay, already in there. There's no handle. Okay. Quality recognizer update test no attribute handle. Let me see. Hello, my name is Elizabeth. I'm a VTuber and a streamer. I'm an engineer too. So what the fuck is this guy even yapping about? I don't know what is going on. Audio data has object has no attribute and okay, so audio did form data. Maybe next let's say raw audio is equal to audio output raw data, raw audio. Maybe this would work. Let's see if this works. Hello, my name is Elizabeth. I'm a VTuber and an engineer and I'm programming. Still throws on let me check this shit, bro. Let me check this shit, bro. Send to chat. Send this freaking file here. Tell me what's wrong in this. Looks like the error message in your terminal. I can output see the error is the error occurs because you are trying to pass a raw object directly to but the wall expects a different kind of input. Specifically needs to be initialized with the model and sample it first. Then you can feed it. Okay, let's see. Recognizer, okay, auto adjust, okay, we got all this. Recognizer, okay. Direct recognizer is your model or source sample, right? Oh, okay. I have to create the recognizer before this. Recognizer is equal to quality model. I use this model here, model and source sample rate. I'll just say so source dot sample rate, right? Capital, yep, sample rate, yeah. Recognizer dot recognize. Then what we do is try audio dot listen. Then we say while true. Then we'll true try audio dot listen. Listen source timeout 1, phrase time limit 2. The problem with like the timeout would be the go away. Press all C to stop. No, let me try this. If it works first, accept changes. What the? Accept changes. Okay. Let's see if it actually tries first. What you do is like get a model. Okay. This already bad. We need this and we do not need anything before this. Okay. All we need is this. Hey, we got the model, can say something. Then we create the recognizer. Recognizer is equal to model sample rate. There is, I think there is no reason for this to exist. Okay, this does need to exist for the audio listening property. Press Ctrl C to stop. Audio R dot listen source timeout. Phrase time limit is equal to 2. Wave data is equal to audio dot get wave data. If recognizer dot accept waveform. Wave data. Recognizer dot accept waveform. Wave data. Okay. Result JSON dot loads recognizer dot result. Text is equal to result dot get. Result dot get text. Okay, damn. Text. If text print you said final this plus text. Else partial result is equal to JSON dot partial result okay, get partial. Okay. Partial result. If partial text print listening partial text is equal to end where sleep on time. Small delay to prevent flickering. Let's see. Does this work? Hello, my name is Elizabeth. I'm an engineer and a school student. No, at this point I'm like saying whatever the hell I want. So my name is Elizabeth. It is as if it's. I do have one. What the hell are you talking about? Stopped by the user. Keyboard interrupt stopped by the user. Okay. Damn, bro. I don't know. Hello, my name is. Is it as if I might have to do one great job? Okay, what the hell is going on here? I don't even know. Is there any speech recognition that hard of a model to do? I don't know. I just don't feel like I got a good model. Maybe I should build one from scratch. Would that be good too? Then I have to train it with data, then it may become a big model, blah blah blah, all that stuff will happen. I'm scared of that too. Partial results. Text. You said final. How long I've been streaming? I think need to go. I do need to go. I've been streaming more than now. I've been streaming now, bro. I need to go. See. This is actually, I'll say this is actually quite bad. Quite bad. Because like I get the audio listening, then I have to wait. I cannot directly get all the audio from there. Maybe I'll try by audio. I think. What was it name? By audio. By audio. Maybe I'll try using this by audio. Install with by audio. Let's start from the top and the recommends already set. Okay, good thing. I want you to create the basic audio listening code in this file. I'll save this sheet and give it to him. So documentation, API documentation. What I want is one. Do they have? Okay, this documentation looks even shitty. Look at this, bro. How is this called a documentation? What is in the right side? Okay, it's getting worse each time. They said Python had great documentation. They had shit documentation. Okay, bro, please don't build it to speech recognition, brother. Please don't. Can you like give up on your memories, please? Just getting a little too on my nerves. Memories. No memories auto generated. Thank you very much. Just open a new one, and I will ask like, build 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 audio recording file, audio recording code, recording audio locally in real time. I'm speaking whatever nonsense comes to my head at this point. Introduction example block mode module. Okay, blocking mode audio IO. What is this one? Introduction. Main audio, the cloud platform audio IO library with PyAudio. You can use this. You can easily use Python to play and record audio on variety of platforms. Okay. Chunk. If what the hell is this? What the hell is this? Let's see. Available audio devices, mic dot get available devices. Okay. Speech microphone. What the hell is speech microphone, bro? Sound devices history. Okay, this function. If an example. Start recording separated. Okay. Self-dot recording is equal to self-dot audio. Data is equal to self-dot thread dot threading dot thread. What the fuck is this? I don't even know what that is going on now. Call self. So you tell a method to handle audio recording. If callback in data frames timing for status. Use self-dot recording, self-dot audio data dot append in data copy. This is the. Maybe I need to like learn some stuff before I have to. I'll try running this once. Okay. I actually kind of. Let's see. Okay, there's one thing that actually does work. That's one thing. That actually does work. Output.wave. Okay. And what if I run tagging? Where the hell is it? Here. Hello. Hello. Mic testing. Mic testing. Mic testing. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Hello. 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 The output got saved as output. Oh. Hello. Mic testing. Mic testing. Mic testing. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Hello. 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 Mic sounds like shit, but at least it is doing something. Now for the next part, we are getting audio from. I'll just maybe call this. The problem is, no, instead of creating it as a file, is they get the voice in real time, like hearing yourself or something like that. Please enter and interrupt again. What? Oh, it's still actually running. Yeah, I should not. I thought it was done. If you have the command execution due to let's see. Let's see. Okay, sound waves like oh, okay, I understand. Let me see. Self mounting. Where is self? Okay, there's a lot of self here. I do know what self is, but damn. Hello. I guess I don't know how, but I do get. Okay, wait. Stops after sleep after this. Read input. Maybe time to sleep. Okay. Read. Key interrupt. Key input. Keyboard. Keyboard. Dot wait escape. Let's see now. I don't think that I will actually. Yeah, keyboard is not defined. And it doesn't stop right. Good, actually, I cannot stop. I cannot stop there for a second. Let me see. Get it. I want it to stop when the put escape is press. Okay. Say give it that, I guess. Nope, I guess that doesn't work. Want you to change the code so that the input keyboard escape is pressed stops the recording. If this still is running, bro, run me. Why are you running me? Running, stop running then. What was the keyboard for this again? Kind of a Alt Control C or something. Okay. That stopped. Oh, yeah, yeah. Other. Good. Keyboard library to be like, oh, we need to actually add the keyboard library. Let's see. Input keyboard library. Let's see. Block 6. What is block 6 though? Need to see what keyboard dot escape. Right, start recording monitor is equal to true. I will stop this, Control Alt C. It keeps on running terminal but doesn't work. Doesn't know that. To activate the sheet again, bro. Come on. Import keyboard. Okay. Pip install keyboard. Keyboard. Successfully installed keyboard. Hello, does this work? Oh, actually, that does actually work. We are getting somewhere. Now we are getting stable off. Oh. But now the problem would be that recognizing the voice from the audio. How do we do that? I'll see it later. Maybe I'll see how to build what do you call it? Audio speech recognition model from the start. Maybe I'll try that. So for today, I think I reached my. I need to eat. I have college tomorrow too. Sucks, but yeah. You guys should.